Good morning, everybody, from Cincinnati, Ohio. Look at that Dumb and Dumber van back there. It looks amazing. That's just right outside of the hotel that we're staying at, which is the Graduate Hotel in Cincinnati. We're in town for a Cincinnati Reds game, and thought this would be a great hotel to try out. It's our first time staying at the Graduate Hotel. There is one back in Nashville, not actually too far from where we live at. We've always heard great things about them, and so we're gonna check them out. The Graduate Hotel is big on incorporating everything in like the area or the town into the hotels, and so we'll show you all that theming. We'll show you our room. It's a King Jr. suite, and we'll probably have some breakfast here as well. So join us for our awesome hotel tour, room tour, and a little bit of food, and we'll check out that van as well. The Mut Cuts van. This may actually be screen used original. This looks awesome here. And it's right out here in the check-in area. Look at that plaid out here. So this is where you come in at to drop off. And then right through those doors right there is the front desk and everything, lobby and all that. Got a couple of bikes out here you can use. But there it is, the Mut Cuts van. It says Graduate Hotels on it. There's a look on the inside of it there. And then right here it says Mut Cut on it. They have the Dumb and Dumber DVD there, actually. I haven't seen a DVD in years. Look at that. Got the little nose and tongue and everything. That's why I think it's got to be screen used. This is so cool. Look there, Fiona's. Fiona is the hippo hip here for Cincinnati. So that's awesome. Oh, there's Dad Nerd. What'd you find back there, Dad? Uh-oh, what's back there?
Just a poster that says Graduate Hotel.
Map the Mut, hashtag Graduate Mut Cuts at Graduate Hotels. Look at that. Got the pictures of the mountains back there and everything, and that's cool. As soon as you come into the Graduate Hotel, you are greeted by awesomeness in here. Look at that little hippo right there, Graduate Cincinnati. You know, the Cincinnati Zoo was close by where they had Fiona at. So Fiona was really cool. A lot of sitting areas over here. Fiona was like the most famous hippo of all time. There's the check-in area right there. We are all students, Graduate Cincinnati. Look at that wall back there. Care Bears, Hall of Justice, Chewbacca. You got Mask over there, Star Wars, everything. There's some little snacks and stuff over here you can purchase. Water, candy bars, Mandalorian helmet, you name it, they got it. Much more sitting areas over here. What area you can work at. Like these little chairs here, look at these. Those are really cool. Plugs and USBs everywhere. And the elevators down to the parking garage are right there to the left. So you have your front desk, parking garage elevator to your left, room elevator to your right over there. Look at this. University of Cincinnati, Beetlejuice, these are Hasbro stuff. So that's a nod to the area. You got Aliens, Predators there, the Ghostbusters. I remember that little game when I used to play a game like that when I was a child. I was an alligator though, but he used to like pull his tooth out. You never know if the alligator would come and snap you or not. That was so cool. It's like IG-33, IG-30, I can't remember the exact name right now. Yeah, Stretch Armstrong. Oh man, the Stretch Armstrong holding the Millennium Falcon. Now that is cool. Dinosaur there, got some Hot Wheels. This is the Ecto Wagon. Harley Quinn inside the Ecto there. That's unique. Strawberry Shortcake. Wow. How you doing? So many cool things here. Got all kinds of books you can read out here. And there's the Mask again and Mandalorian right there. I love that look right there, the Graduate Hotel in Cincinnati, but that mirror look to it. Chewbacca, the Hall of Justice, more Care Bears. This is like the Terminator T-2000. That. There's Yoda, Yoda in the Play-Doh. Oh, that's awesome. This is all conference area over here to the left. We all have some conference stuff going right now, a little convention. That's all that's over there to the left. And there's those elevators there to go up to your room. And looking back, there's the entrance we just came in right over there. A cool pencil here. A little photo op right there. A lot more sitting areas out here. The Poindexter. We'll be having that tomorrow morning for breakfast. The world's most famous hippo, Fiona. I remember keeping up with her through the whole birth and everything. She was premature, I believe it was. It was really interesting to see that. Poindexter's closed right now, but they're open from 7 to 11:30 on weekends and 6:30 to 11 on weekdays. But they have biscuits, not biscuits, breakfast sandwiches, excuse me. Breakfast sandwiches, coffees, and everything. And we'll show you this in the morning. The plan's come down here and get breakfast in the morning. Oh, there's Dad and they're right there waving at us. A really cool hotel bar in here. And a lot more seats out here. They got pool over here. There's brother. There's Dad and my brother there playing some pool. Get a little pool shot here, Dad. What are you doing?
Playing? Fooling around.
Oh, look at this right here. Huge mural and a huge table. Whoa, it's all lit up. That's really neat. There's like more sitting areas over here where the pool tables are at. There's pool sticks and everything over here. There's a little dining area in there, it looks like. And look at this table, y'all. Look how long this table is. This is the dining room table I need. Hey, Dad, can we get a dining room table like this in your house?
Think about Thanksgiving dinner.
There we go. That's what I need right there. I don't know if everything at the Skyline or it's really any kind of chili. Gold Star Skyline. There's over the noodles there. Got the chili dogs there. Wow.
That's 30 seats.
30 seats. Dad just counted 30 seats here. They got some sitting areas outside. Another little area right there. There's the seating areas outside if you want to go out there and sit down. And this pool table is free too. It's included. So you can hang out here, play some pool, get some drinks if you want to, get some food if you want to, and everything. It's just a cool little area here. Oh, you just made it in. Who's winning?
Me?
As soon as you come off the elevators on the 5th floor, you get this awesome photo right here. There's Skyline for Skyline Chili, a little hippo there. Or they got the zoo is just down the street from here. Lots of icons here in the Cincinnati area. Heading this way, I love the plaid carpet down here. That's really neat. So room 521 is there. That's the single door to the bedroom. And then also here is 521 as well. And this way goes into the living room area. And sorry about the noise there. This is our living room here. So if you notice, these key cards are very interesting. I like this quite a bit. Frank Robinson identification card. And they're random what they give you, but look at there. Little Travis Kelce. No Taylor Swift this time, but little Travis Kelce. So I like that those are the room keys right there. But right as you come in, nice living room in here. This is the King Jr. Suite. So you got a table for 3 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. So if you open all those up, tons of light in here. Over here you got 2 little ottomans you can sit on, or use for footrest if you want to. Microwave. You have a little station here for coffee. A little water pot right here. Look at this cool light right here. That's really neat. It's like the Edison bulb light. Hello everybody. Nice mirror on the wall there. And it's actually not tile. I love it though. It's wallpaper, but it looks like that kind of subway tile look. It looks really neat. And then you have a little coffee table here, book there, storage and TV. You got your couch right here, and it is a couch bed. So you do have a couch bed here. A little artwork on the wall. And a lamp and table, chair. I like this touch they added here too for the wall lights. It's a paper clip. That's so cool. So there's like a little paper clip right there. And now here's the fridge. And they give you the free water in the fridge too. Graduate Hotels water, a little can of water there. Looking back, that's the living room we just showed you. Coming this way to the bedroom. You got 2 windows in here. It is separate ACs, which is nice. There's a window behind that door as well. A lamp right there. Got a little area to work at. 2 plugs, 2 USBs. I love all the artwork on the walls here. You have an old style phone right there. Look at this chair too. This is neat. Captain Tall stacks. That's a reference back to the ferry boats in the area. That's neat. It's one of the bobbleheads they have there. TV here. More storage down below. I like that a lot. And Hasbro was in the area, so there's like a lot of history with toys here, plus chili. So you'll see some of that in what I'm about to show you. Look at the cool bed. King size bed. Love the headboard there. Love these lamps. They're like little toys. That's so neat. It's like real plastic toys here. That's more like resin, actually, feels like. That's really neat. Phone there. You got a bowl of chili there. Skyline, Gold Star, plenty of other places. This side, you got the chili cheese dog, the conies. Or I guess they call them chili cheese dogs here, possibly. And there's storage windows as well. Another cool lamp there. All kinds of cool artwork. This is the other door out there I showed you. So it looks like they could just sell this room by itself if they want to as a king room. And of course we have the living room with it. Another paperclip light there. Nice, huge mirror here. This thing is the whole wall right there. Got your ironing board, luggage rack, all your typical stuff in there. I love this right here. The do not disturb signs are like little pennants. Studying, please do not disturb Graduate Hotels. That's a really cool touch right there. Into the bathroom, Bootsy Collins. Has some Bootsy wallpaper right there. Nice bathroom, very clean. Nice size mirror. You got your shower right over here. There's the amenities that they have. And the amenities that they have right there. So there it is. Very nice hotel room, plenty of space. And lots of vibrant colors. It really just pops, and lots of cool nods to the area. And I love the Edison bulb. A 1950 Crosley right here at the Graduate Hotel. And it's open on the inside, so you can look inside and check it out and everything. Graduate Cincinnati. That's information right there about the Crosley. Love that blue paint though. We have a dad and a Crosley. Fits you well. You need to get you one. 145,000 miles on it. Greetings from the Queen City. Like I said a minute ago, I think this is one of my favorite hotels of all time. Great staff, great rooms, a lot of cool things. The Hasbro stuff here is awesome. So many nods to Hasbro, which is awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, we'll just show you some breakfast in the morning for sure. Anything else cool we find at this hotel, we'll show you. But cool place. It is time for breakfast at the Poindexter. So they have all these breakfast sandwiches here and coffees and everything. Let's look at the menu right there. For breakfast, I got the iced mocha. Dad, I got the breakfast sandwiches. You got the bacon, Dad?
Yep.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Tons of breakfast potatoes with your tater tots. And then I got the sausage, egg, and cheese. Even like these little pans here are steaming hot. Ooh, those are nice and hot too. So those look really good. There's the sausage right there. Whew, that bun's hot too. It's a nice, fresh, pillowy, soft bun. But we're gonna dig into breakfast. We'll let you know how this is. Then we'll also let you know how the whole hotel stay was as well. So that was our stay at the Graduate Hotel. First time ever staying at a Graduate Hotel. And there'll be more Graduate Hotels in the future, for sure. Great staff. That breakfast place, phenomenal. Man, that was so good. That was a restaurant I'd be going to it. The tater tots were crispy, extra seasoning. It wasn't just salt and pepper, there was something else on there. Everything's made fresh eggs, a little bit of toasted butter on the buns. Those sandwiches are way bigger than we thought they were. They were huge, but so good. Everything was good there. It's just some really good food. Hotel is awesome, very clean, bed's comfortable. Not much to say, just a great hotel, great price, I feel like. And is about, for this room, a little over about 300 a night, I believe it was. But you have the full living room and everything. And a standard room was getting closer to probably 200-ish a night. And it's a great price because versus downtown, we're looking at maybe staying downtown for the Reds trip. And those rooms are pushing like 400 plus to be by the stadium. So I definitely come back to a Graduate hotel for sure. The front desk staff was great. Check-in process was a breeze. Parking was a breeze. Love those room keys. Love the Hasbro touches in the room. Love the Chili touches in the room. The paperclip lights. They just do so much throughout the hotel and the rooms. They mentioned Fiona here. We were keeping up with Fiona as Fiona was born. They just do so many cool things here to really tie in the area. So we'll be looking to stay at some more Graduate hotels in the future. But hope you enjoyed the hotel and the room tour with us. And the Mut Cut van. That's so cool. You pull in to check in. That's the first thing you see is you're like, this is going to be a cool hotel. I already know that. So, yeah, with that being said, though, thanks for joining us for the hotel and room tour. And the nerds are out.